Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve exponential equation with square root 5 minus 2 power h minus square root 5 plus 2 power h equal 2. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, look our equation, which is her basic square root 5 minus 2, and here is square root 5 and plus 2. Did you know? Here is, if we multiply of this basic square root 5 minus 2 and times square root 5 and plus 2 is equal is we use the formulas a minus b and here is a plus b, so we get this square root 5 squares and minus 2 square, so it equal simplify square root with squares, so we get 5 and minus 2 square equal 4, so we get here is 1. So now we get square root 5 minus 2 and times square root 5 plus 2 is equal 1. So here is, if I change square root 5 plus 2 to the right hand side, so we get square root 5 and minus 2 equals 1 and divide by square root 5 and plus 2. And now we take this to replace in this equation. So we get, here is we replace by 1 divided by square root 5 plus 2. So we get 1 and divide by square root 5 and plus 2 whole to and power 8, and minus here is square root 5 and plus 2 whole to a power 8 equal 2. And here is we get this 1 power 8 and here is square root 5 plus 2 power 8. So we get here is 1 and divide by square root 5 and plus 2 whole to power 8 and minus square root 5 and plus 2 whole to power 8 equal 2. And now we see here is square root 5 and plus 2 the same. So we let it by new variable, and now here is I let t equal square root 5 and plus 2 whole to power 8, which is t is maybe positive. And look, now we get the our equation, get the new variable, which here is, so it is 1 and divide by t and minus it t equal 2. And so now I multiply both sides of this equation with t, so we get this 1 and minus here is t squared and here is equal 2t. And now here is, if I change 1 and negative t squared to the right hand side, so we get this 0 is equal, here is t squared and plus 2t and here is negative 1. Okay, so here is we get the equation is t squared and plus 2t and minus 1 equals 0. And now we use the discriminant, which this is equal negative b squared. Okay, equal b squared. So we get here b squared and minus 4ab. Sorry, ac. So we get is equal here b. We get 2 squared and minus 4 and times 1 and times negative 1. And so we get here is equal 4 and plus 4 and equal 8. So now we get the value of this 8. So we get this square root of b equal square root of 8 and equal square root of 8 equal to square root 2. So now we get the values of t's. So we get this t's equal -2, okay, and plus 2 square root 2 divided by 2a. 2a equal 1, so 2 times 1 equal 2. So equal here is we take 2 out of factor. So we get this -1, 2, -1, and plus square root 2 and divide by 2. And now we simplify 2. So we get it is equal -1 and plus square root 2. And then t is also equal -2 and minus 2 square root 2 and divide by 2. And equal we take 2 out of factor. So we get 2 and minus 1. This is times minus 1 and minus square root 2 and divide by 2. If we simplify is we get -1 and minus square root 2. It is negative. So we don't take it. We also take only t positive. So now we don't take it. So we get t is equal -1 and plus square root 2. So if t is equal -1 and plus square root 2, so we get square root 5 and plus 2 and whole to power h equal -1 and plus square root 2. I also can be write square root 2 and minus 1. So here is we can find the values of h. So we get this h equal log and basic of square root 5 and plus 2 of square root 2 and minus 1 is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.